Welcome to qnawire.
A shoe sliding on a horizontal table at height h. So here's the shoe. Hits the slipper here, and they stick to each other, and they fall off from the height h. We are asked to find what is the kinetic energy when they are stick together and falls off before hitting the ground here. So before hitting the ground, what will be their kinetic energy? We can find it. We see this is the completely inelastic collision followed by a projectile motion here. In this collision we use a momentum conservation, that is a momentum of shoes is equal to momentum together, which is 3.2 times 3, that gives us 5.2 kg V, where V we have is 1.8 meter per second towards the right as the combined system is projected from the edge of the table. Next we use the projectile motion from our previous understanding and use those techniques. Then our kinetic energy at the edge plus potential energy at edge is equal to kinetic energy at floor plus potential energy at floor. Then we'll substitute those values and then find the kinetic energy at the floor, which will be kinetic energy at floor will be 1 over 2 5.2 times 1.8 square plus 5.2 times 9.8 0.40 meter, and this gives us the kinetic energy of the system right before hitting the floor to be 29 joules.